stuck in an island, you can take out from the cruise ship 10 important things. You can take the 1-pack box of matchsticks, the small first aid kit, a box that contains 25 apples, 1 box of mineral water, 10 cans of sardines, toolbox, the compass, flashlight with battery, 20-meter long big rope, and the 1 big bag that contains 3 blankets. You can take out the 1-pack box of matchstick because it can help produce fire in which you can use for cooking and boiling. In fact, water for drinking if ever the supply runs out before the rest. And the heat that it generates can also provide us warmth so we can survive the coldness of the night. Its smoke can also serve as an anti-insect repellent, and if we are lucky enough, we can find some lemongrass to burn with it to effectively keep the mosquitoes away. And the smoke can also be used as a signal to nearby ships and aircraft. For a first aid kit is a great help in assisting healthcare for the survivors. It can help in diseases, cut, wounds, and other physical injuries. Next, a box that contains 25 apples, 10 cans of sardines, and 1 box of mineral water. We need food and water to survive. As a starting point, it is important that we have some of these before we gather additional resources inside the island so we can sustain life as we wait for the rescuers to come. Next, I will take the compass because rescue can last longer than we expect and the food ratio may run out. With the compass, we can explore the island deeper for more resources without getting lost. Next is the toolbox. We can use the tools to build some improvised tools for us to use, and of course to build our own shelter to protect us from the heat of the sun and from rainfall. This can also be useful as we venture deeper into the island to gather some resources such as food, potable water, and with this, we can also build our own life raft if the waiting for the rescuers to come took longer than we anticipated and the decision to leave the island on our own arrived. Next is flashlight with battery. We'll never know when we'll need the light, especially at emergency or if there is any suspicious events around us that we can't see at night. Until we find a way to sustain fire with an object to serve as light when we walk at night or in a dark place, a flashlight is very useful. Next is the rope. Ropes can be useful in building shelter and the raft. It can also be used in gathering food, especially if we need to get some at tall trees or at high places. Last but not the least, the 1 big bag that contains 3 blankets. Blankets can provide us warmth to fight off the cold and keep off mosquitoes. It can also be used as a sail for the raft if ever the decision to go out of the island on our own arises.